To make pink paint, you need 3 parts red and 8 parts white. How much of each colour do you need to make 55 litres of pink paint? So all we know is the ratio of which we've got to mix, but we have to make 55 litres of this pink paint. So pink paint is made up from red and white paint, 3 parts red and 3 parts white. So if we add that together, 3 plus 8, so the total number of parts will be 11. Now, we could say this is 11 litres if we wanted to, and therefore, how do we go from 11 to 55? Well, we need to multiply 11 by 5 to get 55. Well, if we've done it to the total, then we need to do it to each of these in order to keep the ratio, the parts the same. So we've got 3 times 5, we're going to get 15 litres of red paint, and then 8 times 5, which is going to mean 40 litres of white paint. So you will need 15 litres of red paint and 40 litres of white paint in order to make 55 litres of pink, mixed in the ratio of 3 to 8, 3 parts red, 3 parts white. A little check, and note if 15 plus 40 does actually make 55. So this has been a video to show you how to share in a given ratio. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.